Far off from the clutters of life lies a land so pristine. The land where the clouds romance and the sweetest music of the mystic waterfalls intoxicates one and all. Meghalaya, with its serene beauty, lush green forests, and a saint-like expanse, is enough to leave the purest of the souls enchanted. This autumn, to decode the mystery of the forest, feel the refreshing touch of virgin waters, I travelled the untouched trails of Meghalaya with one of my friends, Ankit. The place looked no less than a paradise through both of our lenses. However, there are moments that cannot be captured and would remain with us in our memories till eternity. Walk with us through the abode of clouds.